Welcome back to Modaufy Garage. On this episode, I'm changing a fan belt on this BF Falcon. Changing a fan belt on a BF BA Falcon is one of the easiest jobs you can do. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm socket or a spanner, and a 1/2 inch breaker bar. So all you need to do first is remove this air intake. So to a Phillips head screwdriver, and just undo them. And when you take the air intake out, just give it a bit of a wriggle, and it should come free like that. The next thing you need to do is disconnect the fans. So it's just this clip here. All you do is pull up on it like this, and then pull it out, and it should be disconnected. The reason I'm taking off the fan is I need more access to the tensioner, so I can get this in quite easily, and then I've got room to move it. So it's really quite easy. As I said, I've get my 10mm socket, and there's a bolt on the 2 upper corners of the fan shroud. Now that I've got the 2 bolts out of the top hand corners, so what I'm going to do is just get this hose, push it to the side, and then I should just be able to pull the fan straight out of the car. Before taking the fan belt off, just draw a quick diagram how everything goes together. But on the car, there should be a diagram on the bonnet telling you exactly how everything goes. At the beginning of the video, I said all you need is a 1/2 inch breaker bar. What you actually need, you need a 3/8 bit on the end of it. So I've got this 1/2 inch to 3/8, and that's going to fit perfectly into the belt tensioner. So I've put the 3/8 bit to join my 1/2 inch, and there's a little 3/8 part that goes in there. So I'll just put the belt in like that. And then all I need to do is pull to my right hand side. It loosens everything up, and I can take the belt off. It's easy as that. So the old belt's off now, so I'm just going to follow the diagram on the bonnet and put the new belt on. As you can see, changing the fan belt's quite easy. You need basic tools, as I said. Just remember, you need your 3/8 bit for the tensioner. It's pretty much going to be the same for BA, BF, FG Falcons, territories where they've got the 6-cylinder, 4-litre Barra engine. Just remember, when you take the fan belt off, draw a diagram, or if you've still got the sticker on the bonnet, refer to the sticker. Why not give it a try? And I'll see you on the next Modaufy Garage video.